Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, security company King Alarm describes as disturbing allegations that one of its workers attempted to sexually assault a 9-year-old while on duty.
The alleged incident happened on the Mona campus of the University of the West Indies.
The details from Kelisha Williams.
The incident reportedly happened on Monday afternoon about 2:15 at the University of the West Indies Mona campus. Speaking with TVJ News Wednesday morning, Director of Security at the UWI Mona, Norman Haywood, says the 9-year-old child was going to a relative on campus when she encountered the guard at the access point near Garden Boulevard.
There is an allegation that he held on to a child and attempted to have sexual intercourse with her. She made an alarm and nearby persons rushed to her assistance and rescued her and he ran. A manhunt was launched for him, which included the Mona Police, the King Alarm Quick Response Team and the campus police. He was later caught by the King Alarm team and handed over to the Mona Police.
In a statement, Managing Director of King Alarm, John Azar, says the company is aware of the disturbing allegation involving one of its officers assigned to the UWI Mona campus. Mr. Azar says upon learning of the allegation, the officer in question was immediately taken to the police for questioning. He says King Alarm will continue to cooperate fully with the police in their investigation. In the meantime, Mr. Haywood says the University of the West Indies Mona says the incident has reinforced the need for the university to conduct frequent assessment of the security personnel.
From a security perspective, we have to be constantly reviewing our initiative. We have to be constantly reviewing our level of supervision and determining the closeness at which persons ought to be supervised, and we have to do a kind of reorientation of all the other guards working on the campus so that they can understand that there is no way that certain behavior will be tolerated.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.